How are you all doing? I hope everything is going well. In today's video, I'll talk to you about a TradingView indicator that, if you use it, can help you make a profitable trade. By using this indicator and following its signals for buying and selling, which I'm about to show you on the BTC chart, you can apply it not only to gold, BTC and every crypto, but also on the 4-hour chart and on every trading pair. Today, I'm going to show you its accuracy here with live proof so you can see the signals it gives. By using these signals, you can make profitable trades. Here, I'm going to replay its signals for you to see. So let's get started with the video and replay its signals so you all can see how they work. Okay, so we're about to start using the replay option. Alright, we're going to use the replay now. Let's cut it off from here, and from this point, we'll start cutting the market. For example, there's a buy signal here. You'll see this signal in the market on Sunday. As I mentioned, during the week, you often see the market moving sideways. Alright, so let's start from here. This buy signal that we've received, right? During the week and on Sunday, any signals you get, you can do scalping. For example, if you get a sell signal like this, you can do scalping. And if we move to the 1-day time frame, let's start from Sunday. Okay, let's start from Sunday. From here, we'll use the replay feature. Alright, after replaying, I'll show you how it works. As I showed you, the buy and sell signals are providing very good signals. Let's look at its signals here and check how it provides signals. You can see it's backtesting live with the flow. I'll play it here. Okay, to play it, I'll set the speed to 5 for you all. Or sorry, let's keep it at 3 times so you can see. So here we got a buy signal, which was on our Sunday, and now we're getting a sell signal on Sunday as well. Alright, you can see some areas here. Whenever any area breaks, we'll see a strong selling move. If the upper area breaks upwards, we'll see a buy. If it breaks the lower area, then there will be strong selling. As I mentioned, if it breaks the lower area, you'll see very strong selling. Now if it breaks again, there will be very strong selling. Okay, you can do this. You can see the live results here. You can see the live results of this indicator. I'm showing you all. Okay, let's start again. Here, we clearly got a very strong sell signal, which subsequently gave us a truly very good profit of 800. Okay, again, the market did a significant retest right here, and immediately after that retest, we then got to see a clear and undeniable buy signal. After seeing the bank signal, you can see that the result is very impressive, which you can use to trade. Okay guys, so you can see here, right? Now, after the bank signal, it broke the area, which means the market is about to fall. So this gives you a great opportunity to exit. Everything is being shown to you here, right? Like what was formed here. If it breaks a little, you can easily close your trade. Now, when did this show signal come? You can see how strong it was. Now we got this buy signal. This area is one for us. If the market breaks it, we will exit the market. Look, this is our buy signal. If any one of our signals, say, hits the stop loss, the next signal gives us such a recovery that our losses are covered and we become profitable. Okay, look at this. You can see that it is providing you with very impressive signals, and I think there can't be a better indicator than this, where you are getting such good signals. You can check it. It is also showing you the range, showing you the supports, and also showing you the resistance areas, right? So whenever a support or resistance area breaks, you should understand that the market is going to move in that direction. You can see it here. Now, this particular market movement has become a continuous sideways range here. And you can clearly see that a distinct range is indeed forming. Okay, as soon as this prolonged sideways range ultimately breaks, we will undoubtedly observe a strong buying or selling opportunity. But that significant buying or selling action will only become truly visible on the actual day of the event. Right now, I personally think it's giving a clear signal on Friday, after which the market is once again moving sideways. Okay, this is Friday. You all know that on Fridays, the market usually stays sideways. The short signal, this signal of ours, has also almost failed, and this short signal of ours has also failed. But look at its real effect. After 2 signals have failed, you will see its live proof. As I mentioned, the signals you get on Sundays, you can see them, but they don't really give any significant results. Saturday and Sunday, okay? These signals are also coming to us on Sunday. These signals too. On Sundays, you can do scalping with these. Only on Sundays. Okay, as soon as it's Sunday, whether it's day or night, it closes here. You can clearly see Sunday it was closed, and consequently the market experienced a significant drop, indicating a clear buying signal on that particular Sunday. And as you can observe, all these 3 crucial signals, specifically the 12 and the 3, indeed all 3 of these important signals were present. In this particular bank, it comprehensively covered all our previous losses and furthermore, delivered such truly tremendous and remarkable results. Alright, now, as I mentioned about Monday, you can see significant buying and selling on Mondays. As soon as Monday started, see, Sunday ended and Monday began. So you can see how on Monday we saw substantial buying, okay, because we had a buying signal as backup. Look at this, we generated such tremendous profit from here, and again a sell signal appeared. On the day after Monday, alright, a short signal appeared and we've already received a wine signal. When this area forms, you can book your profit up to here. If you want, a buy signal appeared again. This indicator gives amazing results. You can see the live results for yourself. You must be seeing truly non-repainted signals, in which you just have to confidently follow the clear and precise signals. It's not something that just abruptly ends or disappears. You can clearly observe that its signals are consistently non-repainted and reliably provide exceptionally good and accurate signals for your trading decisions. We have received a very strong and undeniable buy signal here, as you can plainly and unequivocally see, indicating a significant upward movement in the market. See from where it gave us the buy signal and how far the market has taken us? You can imagine for yourself how amazing trades you can take and how much profit you can make using this indicator. This is the magic of money mindset that we bring to you. With such indicators and such strategies, you can generate really good trading and profits by using them. So, I showed you the results live, showed you its signals, and right now the step market is performing in front of you here. Okay guys, now here it has shown two areas, 1,20,964, and here it has shown another area, 1,18,333. Now remember, whichever area breaks in the range, our pressure will increase there. It might be that today you are seeing the day, so as I told you, today is our day. Saturday, Sunday, right? And today, our Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now our Friday will start here. After Friday, Saturday and Sunday, here in our Kangari market, it's possible that the movement from here to there will create sideways areas. Okay, now I have shown you the results in front of you. I have shown you the buying and selling signals, which you can use to do some really good trading and generate a decent profit. For example, as I have already told you, on Saturday, Sunday, and then again on the following Saturday and Sunday, the cryptocurrency market most frequently moves sideways. Just look at this particular instance. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, these 3 consecutive days in a row, the market has consistently been moving within this very specific range, especially for BTC. You are well aware that this period marks the weekly candle closing, so at the very least on Sunday, it is crucial to pay close attention. If you are considering entering the market on Sunday, you should carefully check what specific time the market exhibits less overall movement. That phenomenon usually occurs in the evening, typically after around 6, 7, or even 8 p.m. on Sunday, when we generally start to observe more significant movement in the market, or sometimes it can also happen quite early in the morning. So I have clearly shown you the live buy and sell signals, and you can readily see that you can indeed generate a quite decent and substantial profit from utilizing this strategy. You can observe here as well, this particular Saturday, okay, this is also another Saturday, and this of course is Sunday, right? And this is also Sunday. So you can clearly see that on both Saturday and Sunday, the market predominantly stays in a sideways trend. Okay, you should try to focus on Saturday, Sunday, and Friday. There is often a lot of movement in the market on Fridays as well, but on Saturday and Sunday, I have usually seen the BTC market stay sideways because the weekly candle is about to close, so the market mostly forms a sideways pattern. Okay, just observe Saturday and Sunday. The market has formed a sideways pattern here as well, and you can see that on Saturday and Sunday, the market has created a sideways pattern. If you get signals here, you should only do scalping from this point. Other than scalping, you should generally stay out of the market on both Saturday and Sunday. After that, you can certainly trade on Sunday evening. If you truly don't want to trade on Sunday, then simply wait for Monday. As soon as you see the market open on Monday, pay close attention to it. When the market gave a buy signal here, we generated a good buy, and the market moved to the buying side. Then we got a short signal here, and again a buy signal. After getting the buy signal, you can see how big the profit was. Money Mindsight brings you such CS indicators that can help you generate good profits. Money Mind has always tried to provide you with something good, so that by using it, you can trade well, so that you can generate profit from trading. Okay, along with this, if any friend wants to get this from me, my WhatsApp number will be mentioned in the description. You can contact me there. My WhatsApp number, Telegram, and WhatsApp group link will also be available in the description. you can contact me there. With this, I will meet you in the next video with a new strategy and a new indicator. Until then, good luck.